Did you know nearly 45% of Americans now have a side hustle, and many are parents working full-time? Here's the crazy part. A growing number of them are earning $1,000 or more per month in just a few hours a week. Sounds impossible? Stick around because I'll walk you through exactly how I did it, without quitting my job or sacrificing family time. Welcome to Young Founders Club, where we make big dreams achievable, even in your spare time. In today's economy, a single paycheck often doesn't cut it. Whether it's rising bills, childcare, or just wanting financial freedom, we all need options. This video is about real, practical steps to build a consistent $1,000 a month online income stream while managing your job, family, and sanity. And no, it doesn't require a fancy degree, tech skills, or 12-hour hustle days. Let's face it, we're exhausted. Working a 9-to-5, running errands, cooking, cleaning, raising kids. When exactly are we supposed to launch a side hustle? Time is tight, energy is low, and distractions are endless. Most people think you need to work nights and weekends just to make an extra dollar online. But what if that's just not true? What if you could carve out just 5 focused hours a week and still build something profitable? Here's how I did it, step by step. I broke it down into 3 simple pillars: leverage, simplicity, consistency. 1, chose the right model, affiliate marketing. I started with affiliate marketing, recommending tools and services I already used. I didn't need a product, customer service, or inventory. I signed up for PartnerStack and Impact.com to find legit SaaS programs. I focused on tools for freelancers, startup founders, and remote workers, stuff I knew my audience needed. Every time someone signed up through my link, I earned a commission. Simple. 2, created 1 piece of weekly content. Every Sunday night after the kids were asleep, I spent 1.5 hours writing a blog post or recording a 5-minute faceless video. I posted to Medium, YouTube Shorts, and a simple WordPress blog. No fancy editing, no ads, just honest, helpful content. I optimized it for SEO using tools like Ubersuggest and added affiliate links naturally in the text or description. 3, recycled content across platforms. That one blog post, I turned it into a carousel for Instagram, a script for a 60-second TikTok, a snippet for LinkedIn. Repurposing saved me hours and expanded my reach without extra effort. After 6 weeks of posting consistently, I got my first $80 payout. By month 3, I hit $540. By month 5, I passed $1,000 a month. And I was still only working about 5 hours a week. No burnout, no missed family events, just structured effort. The turning point? I stopped chasing every trend and focused on doing one thing well, consistently. Let's recap the exact framework. Pick one simple model like affiliate marketing. Commit to 1-2 pieces of valuable content weekly. Repurpose that content across multiple platforms. Stay consistent for 8 to 2 weeks. That's it. Not glamorous, but it works. You don't need to be a marketing genius, just consistent and intentional with your limited time. If you're a full-time worker or parent who's been thinking about starting something online, let this be your sign. Start small. Start now. And use those 5 hours wisely. Drop a comment below. Have you tried affiliate marketing, freelancing, or selling digital products? What's worked for you? If you want a detailed tutorial on getting started with affiliate marketing, watch our next video. Step by step, how to start affiliate marketing with no audience. Link in description. Like this video? Subscribe to Young Founders Club. Hit the bell for weekly strategies that actually work for busy people like you. Because your time is limited, but your potential is not.